Did you know nearly 80% of retail investors underperform the market? Many even lose money. Now ask yourself, are you making the most of your money? Join me as I explore finance secrets smart investors swear by. Together, we'll uncover strategies to transform your investing journey. Investing isn't just about picking stocks. It's about having a plan, discipline, and a mindset that distinguishes success from failure. Most investment failures stem from poor habits, not bad luck. Let's address a few common pitfalls. First, emotional decision-making. Have you panicked and sold when markets dipped? You're not alone. Fear and greed cause many to buy high and sell low. Next, chasing trends. Remember the thrill around GameStop or Dogecoin? Jumping on these trends can be tempting, yet they often lead to losses. Finally, lack of knowledge. Investing without understanding market cycles or risks is like gambling. These errors cost you more than just money. They cost you opportunities. Now let's look at what smart investors do differently. Smart investors prioritize diversification. Picture this. Would you put your entire retirement into one stock? Even top investors like Warren Buffett wouldn't. They also understand their risk tolerance. A younger investor can weather market volatility, but those nearing retirement should be cautious. Tailor your strategy to your life stage, not your emotions. Lastly, they commit to ongoing learning. Markets change constantly, and smart investors adapt. They read, study, and stay informed. One critical finance secret shines above the rest: compound interest. It's not just math, it's the engine of wealth building. Let's break it down. If you invest $500 monthly starting at age 25 with a 7% return, you'd see around $1.2 million by 65. But only $240,000 comes from your contributions. The rest is through compounding. Delay that start by 10 years and your total drops to $565,000. The lesson? Begin early, invest consistently, and let compounding do the rest. So what's the takeaway? Smart investors diversify their portfolios. They plan for risk rather than act on impulse. And they harness the power of compound interest over time. You don't need to be wealthy to invest wisely. All it takes is the right mindset and patience. What's your investing strategy? Have any finance secrets reshaped how you think about money? Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll explore advanced strategies used by professionals to maximize returns and minimize risk. Until then, keep building, keep learning, and stay smart.